Welcome to our channel. Are you ready to take the plunge into entrepreneurship and start your small business in 2023? You are in the right place. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on turning your dreams into a thriving reality. In this video, we'll provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to make your small business journey a success. So, let's dive right in. Starting your small business in 2023, a step-by-step guide. Section 1. Crafting your winning business idea. The first step to starting a small business is finding that perfect business idea. It's the foundation of your entrepreneurial journey. To help you with this, we'll discuss innovative methods to generate and refine your business ideas. By the end of this section, you'll have a clear, well-defined concept to build upon. Section 2. Researching your market and target audience. Now that you have a business idea, it's time to dive into market research. Knowing your target audience and the competitive landscape is crucial for success. We'll show you how to gather valuable insights and create a market strategy that sets you apart. By the end of this section, you'll be well prepared to cater to your audience's needs. Section 3. Creating a solid business plan. With your idea and market research in hand, it's time to create a rock-solid business plan. This document will be your roadmap to success. We'll guide you through the essential elements of a business plan, from financial projections to your marketing strategy. By the end of this section, you'll have a pitch-ready plan to attract investors and secure financing. Section 4. Legal considerations and registration. Starting a business comes with legal responsibilities. We'll help you navigate the legal landscape, from choosing the right business structure to registering your company. Understanding the legal side of entrepreneurship is vital to avoid pitfalls down the road. By the end of this section, your business will be official and ready for action. Section 5. Funding your business. Now that your business is legally established, you'll need funds to get it off the ground. We'll explore various funding options, from bootstrapping to seeking investors. We'll teach you how to craft a compelling pitch and approach potential investors with confidence. By the end of this section, you'll have the financial backing you need to launch your business. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our comprehensive guide on how to start a small business in 2023. We've covered everything from crafting a winning business idea to securing funding and making it official. Your entrepreneurial journey is about to take off. Remember, the road to success may have its challenges, but with dedication and the right knowledge, you can achieve your small business dreams. Best of luck on your exciting journey ahead. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with fellow aspiring entrepreneurs. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and guides. Don't forget to follow us on social media. Contact us via call or website. Thank you for watching.